This is a guava tree. Choose the diameter about the thickness of your finger, and healthy straight branches, with a sharp knife, about 5 centimeters up and down the branches. 1 circumcision, 1 knife. Cut a knife at the fingertip. You can easily remove the bark. Exposed cambium. In the ringed bark removal position, about 30 to 50 centimeters above. Cut the branches diagonally, and remove the top leaves. Here we go. Thread the bag of soil through the branch until the position of the ring packet. Tie it with a rope and hold it in place. And that operation is called high-pressure propagation. Sealed bags hold humidity well. Rooting. Finally, use a sunshade net to cover it. Prevent excessive sun exposure. After waiting for a while, new shoots will grow on high-pressure branches. During this period, regularly observe the wetness of the parcel soil. If the soil is dry, it is necessary to add water into it in time. A couple of weeks. Through the bag, you can see that the branches have grown a lot of root systems. At this point, cut the branches from under the pressure pack. Turned into many new guava trees. It has roots and branches and leaves. Retains the excellent characteristics of the original fruit tree variety. It doesn't mutate. Fast-growing trees can also dwarf. If you plant it in the soil, it will bloom and bear fruit, even in a year or two. This is known as high-pressure breeding. It is suitable for most of the flowers and fruit trees you see every day.